What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the set of CJ's First Cooking Show. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate.
Hey.
Right over there is Ethan. Right over there is the Snap Clap champion of the Southwest. Woo! There it is. If this is your first time watching, don't go anywhere. Please stick around. Don't go anywhere. You're gonna love it. I'm making a gnarly breakfast flatbread and doing something I've never made before. Who knows? We might mess up. Let's see.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Cooking Show.
Today the magic's gonna happen. We are hanging out with our boys, Jimmy Dean Sausage.
Wait for it, and we're back.
We're hanging out with them. They're partnering with us. This is perfect because I always use Jimmy Dean sausage. It's delicious and delightful. If I had to say, hey, if you guys are, Jimmy, if you're watching, if you could just maybe make a little easier way to release the sausage.
A resealable one?
A resealable sausage.
So you could just
Receptacle.
use like half of it.
That's a great idea.
There you go. Jimmy, you heard it first. CJ's First Cooking Show. Technically, that was Ethan, but he's on my show, so I get 30%.
I only get 25% of the royalties. From
There you go.
themselves.
That's what we're going for.
Hello, I like money.
Speaking of the new things, dude, I hate to admit it, but
Admit it.
I'm going to call upon some assistance with making my sausage gravy.
Okay.
I've made a roux before. I've made it for other things, for sauces.
You are the sauce king of the...
The sauce king of the Southwest. Yeah. And I think there's a few components. You got flour, you got a fat butter, right?
Are you gonna do my slurry trick?
And then milk. I don't know. What is your slurry trick?
So we've
Let's
talked
do
about
it.
this in the
past. Usually, you'll render out all of the fat from the sausage.
Okay.
Grandma used to just sprinkle, right? Or you'd
Okay.
use a pan, because you're going to have a liquid base.
I have a pan.
You'd sprinkle the flour over, but you sometimes get lumps.
Right.
So I like to start with like half of that flour, and I'll make a slurry. Do you have a little bowl you can mix in?
Wow, look at that.
Perfect. Yeah, throw your flour in.
How much?
All of it.
Whoa. Is that
That's a lot.
okay?
We're fine.
You told me to do it.
And then add some milk.
I can't pull over anymore. I'm already pulled over.
Candy bars.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep it coming. That's good.
Okay.
And you have a whisk?
No, but I have a tiny little spoon.
You need a whisk.
Okay.
Yeah, spoon's not going to work because
Why a whisk, Nate?
it would hurt more. The lumps. We want to get rid of the
right.
lovely lump.
What about a fork?
What about a fork?
Fork might work. Whisk
Okay.
is better.
Try this. Well,
You don't have a whisk?
I do. Give me a second. Dang it.
Jeez.
Come on.
Okay, nice.
No, that's cheating.
No.
I don't know
Okay.
it's my show. I can do whatever I want. A whisk.
Yeah, so you want to whisk so you can get rid of the lumps.
Oh man, this is working way better.
So what we're doing is we're suspending the flour in a liquid, making sure that it's smooth as it thickens up.
So is a slurry technically just adding two
A
ingredients to
slurry is
thicken?
a liquid, so your starch in a liquid.
Okay.
So this could be cornstarch. You wouldn't want that for a gravy because we want the milk.
Right.
We want the fat.
Okay,
But
is that-
now
is that too thin or
you-
too
No,
thick?
no, it's beautiful.
Okay.
It's almost like a really thin pancake batter
Yes.
now.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
then we can adjust the thickness of our gravy with more milk, but since the flour's liquefied, we're not getting any lumps. As greedy
All right.
as a pig.
Bill Nye,
Would someone mind telling me? Who are you?
thank you for that tutorial.
You're welcome.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, I don't know. Is your sausage ready?
That was a nice flip.
It was a pretty good flip. I noticed that. He didn't even say anything about it.
Thank you.
He's usually one to toot his own horn, too.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Huh?
Exactly. One sec while we chop. Our pan is warmed up. In goes the butter. What kind of butter you say?
Unsalted.
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 Do you guys know why?
Yeah.
I was asking them.
Oh.
But the reason
no
is
comment.
you can control your salt intake, the sodium. So you don't, it can be as salty as you want it to be, basically.
Yeah, you get to control the flavors.
The flavor. And I'm gonna leave some sausage for me.
Why?
Because I'm gonna use it later.
Oh.
What have I told you about thinking?
So our butter is now officially fully melted.
Yeah, now
And
we're
then
going slurry mode. So
going
you
into
want to
slurry.
stir this. So keep stirring as it goes in. Stir, stir, stir. Grab your milk. Andy,
Yeah,
I need,
Andy.
I need hands. I need hands.
Hand hands.
Go ahead and add some milk to that.
Some of this out.
Go ahead. Just like enough for coffee. Yeah, and give it a stir.
Stirring.
Go ahead a little bit
Stirring.
more, Andy. I like to go by eye here.
Yeah,
The recipe will be in the comments.
I think that's why I don't like baking.
Why?
Because you have to like
Know what you're
really
doing?
measure.
That's good, Andy.
Okay.
So that'll slowly start to thicken up as that slurry, as the flour starts to cook. It's gonna thicken up. But what you'll be left with is a really smooth.
Smooth. Silky smooth.
It's a silky.
Silky smooth.
Of course you do. I make you silky smooth. I tell you this.
Because, you know what? Let's do this. Let's get sausage off. Move it, Charlie. Vamonos, children. Whoa. So seasoning. So since you're going to be consuming some of it, you
Yeah.
figured let's just do it your way.
Yeah.
That's not
Let's do everything you want to do.
exactly. All right, so I want to get my sausage pulled off. I was just about to come get it. All right, whatever.
I got jealous of Andy.
Everybody's jealous of
He's
Andy.
so handy. Did I show you the song I made for him?
No. What?
There's a song for me?
What?
I've not heard the song for me.
I didn't know there was a song.
Neither did I.
Cue the song.
Andy, the one we all trust. Loyal and steady, he's always with us. A team player shining, you'll always see. The show runs smooth when it's Andy.
Little song. That was a cute song, by the way.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. Pro move. We're going to toast the top or the front.
Port side top.
The front.
The front, port side.
Port side, that's it.
That's it.
Strong
I'm gonna
side.
Toast it in the pork fat.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, Jimmy Dean knows what's up. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so we're gonna need that to toast. We're gonna come back. We're gonna start building. The magic is in how we build. Whoa,
Wow.
that was a dainty little one.
It's so delicate.
A delicate. We're gonna flip our flatbread and kind of scoot it over a little bit of oil in the corner here because I'm gonna blister up these beautiful colored tomatoes. Make sure we get plenty of oil so we can get that nice blister, toss it around, and let's pull our flatbread off and set that aside because we are going
We're
to
not
start.
fully toasted yet.
No, we're not fully toasted yet. We're gonna clean up this center part just a little bit because we're making room for some eggs. So get rid of all those like little burnt bits or anything. So we're gonna get those down seasoned with some breakfast blend. Dude, if you guys haven't tried this, it is so awesome. And once it hits the griddle, the aroma is
yeah, it
just
does.
out of control. Our tomatoes are blistered beautifully. Let's push those to the back and let's get our flatbread back on the griddle. Now, this is where the bottom is gonna be toasting, but we're also going to be building at this point. So our base is gonna be this wicked gravy, this awesome maple.
Oh, it's not too much. It's not like gravy and biscuits.
Right.
It's like sauce.
This is
See?
my sauce.
See?
I told you so. Cheese down on top of that because I don't want to hide all of our ingredients that are going to be involved in this flatbread, so to speak. Tomatoes on top of the cheese. We're gonna start to delicately add our eggs. Don't bust those yolks because they're not actually done cooking yet. We're gonna let them finish cooking on the flatbread. We're gonna dome this with an aluminum tin because I left mine out in the rain and my basting dome is gone. So while that is cruising, we're gonna get to our sauce. I've got this little squirt bottle here.
Now, how
I've
are we
actually
gonna get that mayonnaise in there?
It's a squirt bottle, guy. Now the sauce I'm using today is some Crystal. It's not gonna be hot, but it's flavored. That's like a token thing that Bruce Mitchell says all the time. Shake it up. Now, the flatbread. We've gotta get this off because it's officially done, dude. The cheese is melted, the eggs are perfect.
So good already.
So amazing. Get that down. Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
I'm gonna top that with like little ribbons of prosciutto because it sounded good when I was grocery shopping. Chili crisp. Who's had chili crisp?
I have.
Dude, so good. It's hot. It's beautiful.
It's not crazy hot.
This adds a really great dynamic flavor to all of the other things that we have going on here. Garnish with some more of that Jimmy Dean sausage.
Oh, your garnish sausage. Almost
And
forgot.
the sauce zig zag. Okay, dude, we've got to cut into this. You could go squares, little triangles, but don't do that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
If you, at your restaurant, were serving this to your guests, would you do triangles or squares?
Yes, I would do triangles.
Okay.
So I feel like that's how we should do it.
So that person gets no egg. Got it.
They do too get egg.
Not all the egg.
They don't need all the egg.
Some of the egg.
This is all theirs. There's all the egg is there for them.
They ordered it.
No egg!
I
It's like an event trying to get to this bite.
know. I think
in
I'm
a good way.
I think I'm gonna go right here.
I'm gonna hold it underneath
Please,
so
sir.
it doesn't drip.
Oh,
sir.
oh,
Thank
oh.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. No, I don't. I do watercolor.
And this one, do you know what I call that one?
Oh, Greg.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
That is so good. That is so good.
It's got all the things that are good.
Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach.
Some things to note. You want a crispy bottom, but you also want that texture that's on the top. The texture's game there.
Yeah.
The creamy egg and like that burst of acidity from the tomato.
Yeah.
Just, I didn't get any heat yet because I didn't get to all of it yet since it's
But it's all yours.
mine. No notes.
No.
No notes.
10 out of 10. You know the rules.
Leave it in the comments down below. Would you try this? What would you do different? One thing that came in clutch was that sausage gravy. Dude, Jimmy Dean sausage, thanks for hooking us up. That was amazing. But speaking of comments, boys, it's time for CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Guys, you made it to this segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right. And we have our little fun with it. So starting from the top in no particular order, this one came in from KJFL1.
Hey, KJFL1.
KJ says, "Geesh, this could have been filmed in half the time without all that silly stuff. The end product looked good though."
It's just
I
not take
thought.
out the time. I would know for a fact.
True. Nice.
You came around the end.
Yeah, you came around in the
So,
end. Yeah, so
All right.
we'll take it.
KJFL10. I'm gonna call you Finn, okay? I'm gonna call you Finn.
Okay, this next one comes in from Stoner's Cravings.
All right.
Stoner's Cravings says... Oh, that's not very funny. I don't know why I screenshot this, but now that we're here, he says, "I think you need a bigger board." And Blackstone replied, "You might be right." And then I said, "It's time to upgrade for sure."
CJ's most mediocre
The comments of the week. Thanks,
Yeah,
thank
what a
you.
Tiny.
Tiny little board. Oh,
Got the mute bell.
that like got into my like guts. All right, this next one is from Bob
Vila.
Home.
Wait, Bob Home?
Bob Home.
Bob Vila worked on Home.
Yes, he did.
See?
I'm on a home improvement kick. I was Tim Allen for Halloween. I digress. Butt clowns. Maceration with Jessica Rabbit. What does this show come to?
Wow. Wow.
Butt clowns, huh? A mime is a terrible thing to waste.
Not even good.
This last one comes in from Brian Mowers.
Brian.
Brian says, "The French toast look great, but I wish you guys would just learn to have some fun." By the way, now my wife has a problem with the word maceration. So Brian, we'll try to have more fun. We'll do better next time. And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show. Before we go any further, stop it.
Daytona 500.
Oh, I
I
forgot that one because it was gonna trickle down later. Cold trickle.
Whoa.
So, did you know that NASCAR cars, at least in the very first one, I don't know about now, they were all completely hand-built from scratch. There was no assembly line car and then they mod it. It was just all 100% scratch-built. Which is weird, because they say it's stock car racing, so I would assume it's like something that is assembly line. What are you looking for?
Where
Nothing.
did the dog come from?
He came from my house.
That was my fact.
Thanks. We'll ring it in just a second, I guess. But before we go, if you want to put something up on the board, hit me up today. We've got our girl. If you give a girl a grill, Sherry. We'll get rid of this guy, and then no, I guess we're not going to get rid of him. We'll get rid of this guy.
Why are...
Why what?
There's so many.
I know. Stop it, Andy. We're gonna do that one right there.
Nice.
There we go. But be sure to also go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and tons of other recipes. Also go to griddlenation.com for swag, shirts, things like that. Also, go check out the new website that we built, griddlecrew.com, if you're interested.
Pretty good.
Now you know. Now you know. Also, this network has tons of other awesome, really great shows. Great cooks, fun people, all the pros, all the things, all the fun. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, specifically to this show. You can't do that.
No, you can't.
No, you
Just
can't.
The whole
The
network.
whole network.
But you get them all.
You get them all. Yeah.
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 It's like cable. You get the internet.
All
too.
the channels.
You can't just get
293 channels,
They
and you only
force
want
you.
4. That's right. Thanks, guys, for hanging out. Go check out your e-network.